Hello everyone. Have you ever wondered why the family is considered the foundation of public health? Long before hospitals, clinics, and healthcare systems existed, the family was the first place where health was protected, illness was managed, and healthy habits were formed. Today, we will understand the family, its types, functions, life cycle, and its vital role in promoting health and preventing disease. The family is the primary unit of society and the basic unit of public health. It is a group of individuals related by blood, marriage, or adoption who live together and share emotional, social, and economic responsibilities. A family is not only a biological unit but also a social and cultural institution that shapes the health and well being of its members. Families exist in different forms depending on their structure and composition. A nuclear family consists of the married couple and their children, while they are still regarded as dependents. They tend to occupy the same dwelling space. A joint family consists of a number of married couples and their children who live together in the same household. All the men are related by blood, and the women of the household are their wives, unmarried girls, and widows of the family kinsmen. Three generation families consist of grandparents, parents, and children. Each family type has its own strengths and challenges, but all contribute to the care, protection, and development of their members. The family life cycle consists of 6 stages. The first stage is family formation, beginning with marriage and continuing until the birth of the first child. The second stage is family extension, from the birth of the first child to the birth of the last child. The third stage is complete extension, during which all children remain at home, extending from the birth of the last child until the first child leaves home. The fourth stage is family contraction, beginning when the first child leaves home and continuing until the last child leaves. The fifth stage is completed contraction, also known as the empty nest stage, when all children have left home and continuing until the death of the first spouse. The final stage is dissolution, which begins with the death of the first spouse and ends with the death of the surviving spouse. Each stage is associated with unique social, emotional, and health needs that influence family well being. The family performs several essential functions that influence health. It provides biological functions through reproduction and child rearing. Social functions include socialization, education, and emotional support. Economic functions involve meeting the basic needs of food, clothing, shelter, and financial security. Cultural functions preserve values, traditions, and beliefs that are passed from one generation to the next. Together, these functions contribute to the physical, mental, and social well being of every family member. One of the most important responsibilities of the family is child rearing and the development of healthy habits. Families provide proper nutrition, maintain personal hygiene, ensure adequate sleep, encourage discipline, develop healthy behaviors, and promote immunization. Parents also shape attitudes towards health, education, and lifestyle. These early experiences form the foundation for lifelong health and well being. The family also plays a major role in personality development. From infancy, children learn values, attitudes, emotional responses, communication skills, and coping mechanisms by interacting with family members. A supportive family environment promotes confidence, resilience, and healthy psychological development, while an unhealthy family environment may contribute to emotional and behavioral problems. Families serve as the first line of healthcare. They recognize illness, provide basic home care, encourage timely medical consultation, and support treatment and rehabilitation. Maternal and child health, care of newborns, nutrition, and care of elderly family members largely depend on the family. When these responsibilities are neglected, the risk of maternal mortality, infant mortality, and preventable diseases increases. Families also protect individuals from life's stresses. During financial difficulties, illness, loss, or emotional crises, family members provide emotional support, practical assistance, and reassurance. A strong family acts like a shock absorber, helping individuals cope with stress and recover from difficult situations more effectively. Health and disease are influenced by both genetic and environmental factors within the family. Genetic traits determine susceptibility to certain inherited conditions, while the shared family environment influences nutrition, hygiene, lifestyle, physical activity, and exposure to infections. Understanding both factors helps in disease prevention and health promotion. The spectrum of family system failure illustrates the gradual breakdown of family functioning. A healthy family provides love, security, effective communication, and support to all its members. A problem family experiences temporary difficulties such as financial stress, illness, conflict, or poor communication but continues to function with appropriate support. If these problems remain unresolved, the family may become a broken family where essential functions are severely disrupted due to separation, divorce, death of a parent, abandonment, chronic conflict, substance abuse, or domestic violence. Recognizing families along this spectrum helps healthcare professionals provide timely support and prevent further deterioration of family well being. The key message is that effective public health begins at home. By strengthening families, promoting healthy lifestyles, supporting parents, and ensuring access to healthcare, communities can prevent disease and improve health outcomes. A healthy family ultimately creates a healthy society. To summarize, the family is the basic unit of society and the foundation of public health. It performs biological, social, economic, cultural, and health related functions throughout different stages of the family life cycle. Families shape personality, promote healthy habits, provide care during illness, and protect individuals from physical, emotional, and social challenges. Strengthening families remains one of the most effective strategies for improving community health. I hope this presentation helped you understand the family, its types, functions, and life cycle more clearly. If you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe for more easy to understand videos on community medicine, public health, and medical education. Thank you, and I will see you in the next video.